Kindle readers. Now that you have had time to explore Sora and all of the amazing books, I thought I would share a book that is always available for you to check out. It is called Get Outside in Spring by Sue Gagliardi. We are only going to read chapter 1, A Spring Day. I noticed the boy over here on the left-hand side of the page. It looks as if he's outside on a spring day planting a garden. And what a great chapter to read since Wednesday, April 22nd was Earth Day. Let's read this chapter thinking about what we can do on a spring day. Winter is over and the earth wakes up. The temperature begins to rise. A boy explores his backyard. He looks for signs of spring. The snow has melted and birds sing. The scent of spring flowers fills the air. Many people plant gardens in spring. The boy scatters seeds in the soil. He is planting a garden. Spring rains water the boy's garden. Soon, sprouts push up through the dirt. Small buds appear on the trees. The boy checks his garden each day. He feels the warm sun on his face. He fills his bird feeder. Birds gather for treats of nuts and seeds. Spring has arrived right outside the boy's door. Fun fact: in the 1300s, spring was called springing time. This marked the time when plants began springing from the earth. There are many types of bird feeders. Some are made of plastic bottles. We are going to stop there. View our flip grid to find out what your challenge is.